My name's Ethier. I'm a design editor at House & Home magazine, and these are my 5 favorite things. Now, my 5 favorite things are a little bit more utilitarian. I just completed a makeover in my sister's apartment, which if you haven't seen, you can link to in the description below. My first favorite thing is this beautiful farmhouse sink. It's something that my sister really wanted, and also I just thought would look amazing in this space because it has a traditional feel. It comes from DXV, who are really good at heritage style pieces. What's extra special about the sink is it's extra long. Is that too many extras? It comes with this amazing grill that sits at the bottom but keeps your dishes or food off of the bottom of the sink. So it's great for drying things or thawing food or just generally washing. My second favorite thing is quite close to the sink. It's the faucet. Faucets are sort of a hard thing to buy. If you start looking at them, it gets confusing. They kind of look the same. But what I really loved about this Grohe faucet is just the simplicity of it. This is sort of a traditional kitchen. We could have gone with a more traditional faucet, but I like the sleekness. It just does its job, but it looks quite cool. It has a nice little pull down spout, and you can have the regular spray or this spray. I don't know what they call that, but it's cool. My third favorite thing is this gorgeous countertop. It's Silestone by Cosentino. What I love about it is it looks like marble, but of course is much hardier than marble. We really wanted something that could take some wear and tear and wouldn't be too high maintenance, but also would look really good. And this just really fit the bill. My fourth favorite thing is this range hood. We had originally envisioned a custom-made hood. That ended up being a little bit out of our budget, but I had been looking on Broan's website because they do a lot of hood inserts, and I came across this almost vintage looking hood, and I loved the idea of adding something that looked like it was from a slightly different time period to this kitchen that we wanted to look like it had evolved over time. And for my fifth favorite thing, I'm gonna have to take you into the bedroom. Sorry. This is my fifth favorite thing. This is an Endy mattress. I spent a full 2 days shopping for mattresses with my sister and wanted to pull out all my hair. She finally relented to ordering an Endy mattress for a number of reasons. First, she liked that it was Canadian. And second, you get 100 nights to try it out. And really, that's kind of the only way you're gonna know whether or not you like it, because lying in the middle of a showroom, you can't tell. Another plus is that the mattress comes delivered in a box, which we have an old Victorian house here, and there's quite narrow doorways, and so it was really easy to get the mattress into the bedroom and quite fun to unbox. So those are my 5 favorite things. I know they weren't the most exciting maybe, but trust me, when you're shopping for a countertop or a faucet, you'll thank me.